Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing about the topic Mechanism of Photosynthesis. This is one of the most important question for exams. Let's start with today's topic. In the mechanism of photosynthesis, there are two phases, light dependent phase and light independent phase. Let's discuss about these two phases one after the other in detail. First of all, light dependent phase or photochemical phase. A series of chemical reactions occur in a very quick succession initiated by light. It means in presence of light energy, a series of chemical reactions occur in plant cells one after the other quickly. And the light reaction takes place in chlorophyll containing thylakoids called grana of chloroplasts. Here, grana are nothing but the stacks of thylakoid membranes. These thylakoids contain chlorophyll, that is nothing but the photosynthetic pigment. Several steps occur in the light dependent reaction. Step number 1. The chlorophyll on exposure to light energy becomes activated by absorbing photons. Here, photons are nothing but units of light energy. So, when chlorophyll absorbs photons, it gets activated. And now, in the second step, the energy is used in splitting water molecule to release oxygen, and this reaction is known as photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means splitting. So by using light energy, water molecule is splitted and oxygen is released. This reaction is called photolysis, and this was discovered by Robert Hill, hence it is also called Hill's reaction. Important for exams. Hydrogen produced in photolysis is immediately picked up by special compound NADP to form NADPH. Here, NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate and NADPH is reduced NADP. Now, another energy-rich compound, ATP, is also formed at the end of the light reaction. So, at the end of the light reaction, energy-rich compounds like NADPH and ATP are formed. Now, light-independent phase. This reaction does not require the presence of light, and extension of the phases after daytime may occur in some plants. This light independent phase is also called dark reaction. But the term dark reaction does not mean that it occurs when it is dark at night. Dark reaction only means that these reactions do not depend on light. In the dark phase, the hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide by utilizing ATP energy and produces glucose. And the formula for glucose is C6H12O6. This synthesis occurs in a number of steps using certain special intermediate compounds and enzymes. Finally, glucose may be converted into storage product, that is starch. So it means in plants, food materials are synthesized in the form of glucose during photosynthesis, and the glucose is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. Plants are capable of surviving under a range of situations, from very hot, dry and brightly lighted conditions to wet, humid and dimly lighted condition. The requirement of light and other factors varies from one plant to another plant. Let's now quickly recap the mechanism of photosynthesis. Here, in light-dependent phase, a series of chemical reactions occur in presence of light. And light reaction take place in grana part of chloroplast. In light reaction, in the first step, chlorophyll is activated by absorbing photons. In the next step, photolysis occur, that is, splitting of water molecule by using light energy to release oxygen. As this was discovered by Robert Hill, it is also called Hill's reaction. And during light reaction, energy-rich molecules like NADPH and ATP are formed. In the light-independent phase, reduction of carbon dioxide takes place to form glucose. And this formation of glucose is not a single step. There are several intermediate compounds and enzymes involved during the process of formation of glucose, and glucose is finally converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plant. And this light independent phase is also called dark reaction, and it takes place in stroma part of chloroplast. This is all about today's session. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. If you liked it, share it with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Have a great day. Thank you all.